for you to hear the sound of DSLR if you're missing it. Here you go. Continuous higher shots. This is how it sounds like. Hello guys, this is TianChad here, or you can call me Tianqi in Chinese. So today I'm going to unbox this brand new DSLR, which is the D780. But before that, I would like to share with you to stay tuned all the way to the end of the video, because I'm going to do some special giveaway of the Nikon merchandise. If you like luggage tag, let me know. Or if you like the Nikon 𝗟𝗟𝗕𝗖𝗥𝗘 series t-shirt, it's free size, so anyone can wear it. Like this one, I'm wearing the white color. So right before unbox, I would like to share with you some of the things about me, which is I'm already a long time user of the Nikon D750 and love it so much because it helps me focus and take so much photo of event, wedding, and even travel photos. And also the tilt screen, if you remember, tilt up, tilt down, 180. And because last 2 years I have been do a lot of traveling, so I need a lighter weight kind of camera that can shoot video as well, because the Z series video focusing is so much better than the DSLR. If you have used DSLR to record video before but it's just using the autofocusing, you know how hard it is and how hurtful it is to try to record video by just using the autofocus. But right here, right now, I'm recording using the Nikon Z50. So I want to test it out, how does the autofocus function looks like. So right here you can see my face, and when I put the box, you can see the box right away. Or when you see my face again, and then when I show this camera, it's the camera again, and I try to do one take shot, and I don't want to cut out all the stuff. Okay, let's stop all this talking, and yes, let's unbox this. First thing first, ASMR. Open the box. I don't know if you like ASMR, but here is how it looks like. First thing first, the manual, camera manual, and warranty card. Oops, let me try to move it away first. And let's review what's inside. Very simple and straightforward. Let's start with the cable and strap first. Maybe I should start with the straps. So if you love Nikon so much, for sure you'll want to use this strap that show you are using the D780, and also the charger. Let's see, a charger is very identical to a D750 user, just the same, but I do know that they have already improved a lot on the battery. This one is the EN-EL15B. As you can see, it's a dark gray color, and improved version. And also improved version with longer lasting battery where you can shoot more photo and videos. So let's put it aside first here. And also cable, USB-C cable, where now you can charge your camera by using this cable right here right now, and also access photo right from your camera to your laptop. And what's this tiny thing? Okay, this tiny thing is very important if you're using DSLR, because this is the thing that where you put right in front of the camera, so that when you shoot a long exposure or light bulb mode, so that extra light won't able to go in and affect your final photos. So oops, I forgot to put away the wrong thing. Okay, right here right now, the main thing about this camera is this D780. Let's put this aside and let me try to move it up. It's hard if I cannot see. Okay, ta-da! Let's put aside the box first. Nicely wrapped in a bubble wrap. And let's review the camera. This is how they do in ASMR, so that you can hear the sound of camera coming out from this. Alright, I should stop the ASMR things. So here's how it looks like. Right in front of you, the brand new D780, and let's compare it side to side with the 750 and 780. I shall try and find the difference right here right now. Okay, first thing first, D750 has the pop-up flash, and this one no longer have it. And let's tube it at the side. The side is almost the same, but it's more cute. You can see the side is more aligned, not like this fat one. And the other, the screen wheel, it looks the same, but you can notice that the autofocus button is from lower part. Not autofocus, I mean live view button. Right from the lower part, they move it up all the way to here, because in this brand new D780 you are going to use both your viewfinder and also your touchscreen, your screen, to shoot photos and video at the same time, which is a good news about hybrid. And what about the card slot? Good news, 2 SD card slots so that you can back up your images. How about previous one? If you know, it's the same as well. Yes. Okay, right here, right now. What if I compare to the Z series? So D780 and the Z7, you can see the size is so much bigger to the mirrorless. And if from the side, let me remove the lens first. Oops. And here, and maybe I should show you the sensor as well. Oh, I cannot see the sensor right here. So DSLR with the flipping mirrors, and this one is directly, you can see the sensors, see the size, and see the weight. This is heavier, and of course it's lighter, so I don't want to have any dust. Let's just put back the lens, and I should put in the battery. The next thing is for you to listen to how fast the shutter can be. Should I? Let's try. Oops, this is manual. Okay, let me try. Is it lock? Okay, it's lock. And it's lock. What else can I do? If I want to switch to manual. Oh, manual. Let's try. Now let's hear the sound, the magical sound of the shutter speed. I need to do this. FC, this single shot. I want a continuous high. Finally I found it. Okay. Let's try to do this again. Okay, I failed in doing the one cut shot, so let's back to this again. So I've already put in the battery and do the settings. So the first thing first, which is for you to hear the sound of DSLR if you're missing it. Here you go. Continuous, highest shots. This is how it sounds like. And also, this is the touchscreen. I want to show you. Okay, live view. Live view, not here yet. I want to show you this thing. What is it again? Info. Yes. So this is a touchscreen, info screen, where you can do all your settings. And the most important part that I would like to check, which is to see whether they have this AF 3D. Yes, 3D tracking. When I use the D750, I always use the 3D tracking because it's very helpful for me to track like moving subject. Like when I'm shooting couples where they do have the interaction, I just press halfway and then it focuses and follow the models. So right here, right now, this hybrid version has the best side of both worlds. So this is the end of the unboxing video of the D780, and I do want to test it out and if I got chance. So let's see how it turned out, whether I have any photos or videos to show with you guys. And I'm still figuring out how to recording the live view video footage of here to show that in your video. Still learning that. So if you know how to do it, just let me know, put a comment below. And let's come back to this video. If you want to win this shirt or even luggage tag, just leave a comment below. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer DSLR or the Z series, or the combination of both worlds, this hybrid of D780? So let me know, comment, and oh yes, if you have any question about the D780 that you want me to try it out and test it out, do leave a comment below. I'll try my best to answer it. And thank you once again for watching this unboxing video, and I hope you like it. Anyway, 恭喜发财 to anyone who celebrated, and also happy Chinese New Year, happy holiday to all the other Malaysians and who else? And you who are watching this video. Sorry for that, and thank you once again for watching this video, and this TianChad here. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.